everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I'm going to be showing you guys my gluten-free yams. Is it yams? Is it sweet potatoes? Because it says sweet potatoes on the bag, but I've always called it yams. Basically the same thing? I don't know, you guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments because I've always called it yams even though that the bag says sweet potatoes. But pretty much I am showing you guys how to make gluten-free everything for Thanksgiving. We are not missing out this Thanksgiving. That's not happening. So everything that I'm gonna be showing you guys in my next couple videos are all going to be gluten-free. If you guys have missed any of that, I will have a playlist down below. Everything gluten-free. A lot of my Thanksgiving videos are going to be either coming up or are already up, so if you guys are looking for anything, please look in the playlist down below. I have a whole bunch of recipes coming, and I'm not gonna lie, I have 2 pies coming at least. I haven't decided if we're gonna make more, so you guys are definitely gonna have to stay tuned for those. I'm filming them, I'm getting them up, we're getting things up, we're getting things going. I have a whole bunch of videos coming for you guys for Thanksgiving, and yeah. So just stay tuned, I promise they are coming. Whatever you're probably thinking is gonna be down there, so go ahead and check it out, and yeah. So if you guys would like to see how I make gluten-free yam, sweet potato, marshmallow thing, and then go ahead and keep on watching. So just like in the mashed potatoes and gravy recipe, we're gonna start off with a crap ton of sweet potatoes or yams. I still don't know. But pretty much right here I have 7, but I'm only filling up like one of those like glass pan things. So if you guys are doing bigger than that, you're going to want to add more, of course. And then we're going to peel and dice just like everything else. Now it's up to you on if you want to boil these. I like my sweet potatoes with a little more give. Like I like there to be a certain texture to them. Not that I want them hard as a rock, but I also want them to be with a little bit of texture, kind of like breakfast potato type of texture. And some of them like them more creamy, like mashed potatoes. That's completely up to you. If you would like them like that, then go ahead and boil them after you dice them. Go ahead and boil them for about, I would say 20 minutes or so, and then you should be able to mash them. Then add butter and the same seasonings that I'm going to show you in a little bit, and just kind of mix them together, and then lay them in the pan, put the marshmallows over, and then bake. So it'll kind of be like mashed potatoes, but sweet potatoes, and then with all the, you know, seasonings and stuff. But I'm gonna put them in my pan raw, and like I said, it's just because I like the texture of them to be a little bit more firm, but that's completely up to you. You're able to customize and modify this as you please. We are going to set our oven to 325. I tried to do it kind of higher one time, and it was burning the marshmallows before I can get to cook the potatoes inside. So I would say if it's mashed, then maybe go up a little bit higher because you don't need to cook them for that long. So I ended up having about 1/3 of a stick of butter, and then these are the seasonings. Now right here, I'm sorry, it's a little blurry, but don't worry, we're gonna get through this. I'm going to put it in a saucepan, the butter, because I melted it, and then we're going to add ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove. Be careful with the clove, it's very spicy, you don't want to overdo it. And then I added a little bit of salt and about a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar, because it's easier to mold. Then I'm going to pour it over the potatoes and then add some pecans. Now just be a little bit careful when it comes to nuts because not all of them are gluten-free. So I'm going to show you in a little bit the brand that is gluten-free that I found at Kroger. So just kind of look for that brand. If not, Planters is always a good one. I recommend using bigger marshmallows because once I was done with these, I didn't have any more marshmallows left. So I'm just letting you guys know, use the bigger marshmallows. There wasn't enough. There's never enough marshmallows. But pretty much anything that I'm not getting to right now, I promise I will have down below. Just make sure that you go ahead and look for that because the directions and recipe and everything will be down below. This brand is gluten-free, and then these are the 2 that I used for marshmallows and for dark brown sugar. All of the measurements for the seasonings and spices and stuff are all going to be down below, so make sure you check those out. And you're able to double this recipe if you want them more gooey. This is how it came out. Like I said, look at that. Look at that sad excuse for marshmallows. We need the big, huge marshmallows. You guys can also use vegan marshmallows if you need to. It's completely up to you.
But I tried to get a good shot right here, and I was like, you know what? Those are sad excuses for marshmallows. So I like picked and choose when I took like the picture. Because then look at right here. Just, it looks good, I guess. I hope you guys try this and let me know if you do, and let me know how you like it. Oh, and I will have modifications if you want to mash the sweet potatoes instead. So those directions will be down below as well.
And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, if you guys are looking for any other Thanksgiving recipes, all gluten-free, we're safe this season, okay? We're all safe to eat anything gluten-free related. It's all gonna be down below. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I hit my hand.